National Weather Service has issued a hurricane warning for the state of Florida. Hurricane Diana is expected to make landfall in the next 24 hours. Hurricane Diana is expected to have Category 5 winds which will shatter all windows and destroy mobile homes and has a possibility of destroying regular homes. All roofs will be blown away and some walls will fail due to them not being attached to anything. Evacuating is recommended as staying at your home could be dangerous. Keep inside inner rooms as outside rooms are certain to be damaged and possibly gone. School will be cancelled for the next 3 days in all government buildings. This does not include police stations and hospitals. Every other government building will be shut down to protect people from getting hurt. If any debris is flying around, get under a table or other item as dishwashers, fridges, and other home appliances could be flying around.